beyond Mara. And to Zambichi, maybe Mara will wear it, but let me tell you, there is a limb of health. Maybe in Mara, you have financial problems, but there is an limb. Put a limb, get ready for that limb. Mara attack is going to see a fancy.
Amen.
Mara, Mr. Luzaka, he who has begun a good thing in us will put it to accomplishment. We are going to have a Gurumatir Acharisazisa. Abana Maribano, the Daneta Musile Pan, I don't have a Namana Vati, Miriam Mono Dinicha, Musa Puputi Mogorodimaro Massimaosa. This time it is your time. The Rudaba Naletana, who will not die at Mara, I will not die in the wilderness. And who will feel about Mara. But I know there is somewhere that where God is taking me. The which is all Baba Zapana, I will go consider. The which is all Baba Zapana, the which is all Pastor, in a degree. But I know I'm not going to live in this bitterness. I'm going somewhere. I'm going to my Elima. I want to tell you, my brother, push on. Push beyond that limit of Mara. There is a limit beyond Mara. Push. Continue to push beyond every limit. Itali kumile pana ni fire pano baba chitara pana na tiksoda ni soda mfuti sana kwa chitara chamara andine kama chitara mskazaika mpenyo wako. I don't know to how many people who I'm preaching to, but one thing that I know, this God has never put me out to share. Maria atinya zise kuni watu zosimu za baba vaiji pita zinzana wama wakati yesa mdaiji pita patashika pamara kuni wale redu kuzwa pamara wachine zwa kwa elimu chamara ni kumile mzira elimu yangu nidoida atu kumile babasa ya utoka ajipopotewa kuni basa ya telo garao jifara mwetu jipea jifara atu kama basa ya utoka nika munga njotu kwa eta zakare ena apeda kuye kona kastia resolution sisi na kumila zakananga this afternoon I need my elimu this afternoon I need a place where I'm going to rest chamara usuka machumeya kunishkalizi mkomana kadai let God do it, let God transform it. Enough is enough, let us come out of Mara. There is a limb beyond Mara. Kunenga unafanya kunoshika njazi upenyu unukubaba upenyu haufita zakanaka wakatsama izo zikutara kwandewita wakapweka na watu kunamata kunobatsire ndekati kutaure kuti kunamata kunobhadhara hakuna watakavona akanamata akasiwa akadaro vakanamata vakanga vasina vana akabhuvana vakanamata vairwara akaporeswa vakanamata vakanga vanzi varaswa nehama vakaonekwa akanga ari mapofu akasvinudzwa ndekati kutaure kuti kunamata kunobhadhara. Don't give up when situations are tough. Don't give up when people are laughing at you. Don't give up. Hana bosse kuna penia. But Hana not yes I'm in Mara. But I know there is a limit for me. She was saying but watch this space. Say watch this space. Utaona kwamba pera mwani ndizo waengo kuseleza basha kupuruzina. Waengo kushora basha kusimutia. Why did I come against every demon that is holding your testimony. Kule ino pale wacha kukura panamba. Kutakaita maswanjia na mandiri pamara. Asimara nani wanyanyasha. Come on my sister, come out of that Mara. Begin to walk. Come on my brother. Come out of that Mara. Begin to walk. Mara is not a safe place to stay on. Mara is not a good place. It is a bitter place. But I want my name. Trees of power, but when I open 12 wells of water, well, I will drink until I am satisfied. Therefore, you are a loser and a liar. The church is moving on, nothing will stop it. The people tell us that we are going to Sarah as it will. And the media, but we are taking our steps. We are moving out of Mara. I want a woman who declares that I don't want to continue not having happiness in my marriage. Enough is enough. I want my Elima. Enough.